good. I have been a Jane's Agenda subscriber for several months. And this is my first time to film an unboxing video. Her boxes are like seasonal but not seasonal. And I absolutely love the time, attention, and care that she puts into what she puts in her boxes. They're usually very versatile for more than just a month. It's more a spread of seasons. Oh, pardon me, my hands. But I wanted to film an unboxing because I absolutely love the product. This is my 5th box to get, and I wanted to share it with you guys. The only thing I've done is cut the tape on the end. I absolutely love the packaging. It's always gorgeous. Hello. And we'll just get into it. So that's all that's in the box. It's packaged in this little bag. She takes very special care to always produce and package her stuff in a way that is protected, and I really like that. So let's just open up this super cute little bag here. I've had this for about a week, and I'm just now opening it, and oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so super cute. Let's just move it all to the side so we can look at it. Alright, first things first, we always get a little quote card with the packing list on the back, and I won't look at that because I like to be surprised. But this super cute, super stylish pin case. Last month we got a pink pouch that was bigger, but this one is super stylish and sleek, and I like that because I can never have enough storage space for my pins in my purse because they explode. Oh my god, look at those, super cute. Are these stickers? Are these plant stickers? Yes, they are stickers. How cute are those? Get those on camera for you guys. There we go, without the glare. How cute are those? My daughter's gonna flip when she sees those because she is a plant person. Green, moss green Jane's Agenda sticky notes. They're always super good quality, and they always have great, just a great grit to the paper. I know that sounds weird, but whatever. And then check out these clips. They're copper, and I love them. Super cute. Love those. We got a white gel pen. Could never have enough of these. And then these dividers. I've seen sneaks of these, or these dashboards, not dividers, dashboards. I've seen sneaks of them, and they are so cute. I'm in love. Check out those succulents. Yes. Plants, all the house plants. I'll do that. And then succulents. And then just this cozy aesthetic. How cute is that? They're the same on both sides. And then I am lucky spring into action. Let's see what these inserts look like. So, how pretty is that vellum dashboard? I am lucky. Fortune favors the bold. I am bold. Lady Luck smiles on me. Oh, that is gorgeous with this color down here. Yes, please. A spring into action plan. A spring checklist of to-dos. And then these are brain dumps. Just like inserts you can put. I have a brain dump section of my planner where I just write down things I don't want to forget. So that's amazing. But y'all, that's gorgeous. Holy cow, that is absolutely beautiful. And then we got Spring It In, and we got Plan a Life That Would Make You Jealous. Spring It On, not Spring It In. Plan a Life That Would Make You Jealous. And then, like, this is one thing that I have fallen in love with, is these vellum covers, because I am really starting to love layering. And so I can take one of these covers and I can take this succulents, and hello, how pretty is that for just a pop of color, a seasonal vibe? Like, yes please. So I'm really excited about that. Right now I have my February cover and this is what I've got in there, but I'll be changing that over to spring soon, and what better time than with this, y'all? This is so pretty. I'm in love, like totally. And my camera died, so this is my planner for what I'm doing right now. And here's an overview of what I got in my Jane's Agenda subscription box. There's my card with my quote card. I can just punch that into my planner. Here's a couple of super cute little quote cards that are absolutely adorable. I always get a couple of those and I love them. We've got this beautiful vellum insert that I'll use, vellum dashboard. Brain dumps, lots of those, that'll be nice. A spring into action checklist. These adorable stickers. You hear my kid in the background, she's not being quiet. This super cute pin pouch. My awesome clips, sticky notes, gel pen, awesome dashboards, very spring themed this year. I really like it. And then covers, the clear vellum covers. All in all, I always love my box. And I never do a flip through, and I don't know why. I think I have another one filmed. I may go ahead and put those together just so you guys can see what you can get in a Jane's Agenda box. Typically these things don't get loaded into her shop. Like, these are exclusives for the subscription box. Sometimes she'll have some extra and she'll stick them in the shop, but all in all, these are typically exclusive items. About every, I want to say like every second or third box, she puts some kind of vellum cover in there so that you can layer, which is awesome. I absolutely love that. But all in all, one of my favorite subscription boxes to get. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love it. I can't recommend Jane's Agenda enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is just an unboxing of Jane's Agenda, one of my favorites. And we'll see you next time back here on Schultz Shenanigans and Planning the Shenanigans.